IBI and ABA. What's the difference? When your child receives an autism diagnosis, you are introduced to an alphabet soup of acronyms: IBI, ABA, OAP, FA. The list is endless. In this video, you'll learn the differences between two of the most used and often confused, IBI and ABA. What is ABA? ABA stands for Applied Behavior Analysis and is the science of learning and behavior. The focus is to change socially significant behaviors. What is IBI? IBI stands for Intensive Behavior Intervention. It's the intensive application of ABA. For a program to be considered IBI, it has to be more than 20 hours per week. What are socially significant behaviors? They are behaviors that matter. For example, communication, self-care, reducing challenging behavior. Independence in these behaviors will allow your child to engage more fully in life. Neither IBI nor ABA is better than the other. Some learn best in a very structured environment, like IBI, while others do in a naturalistic setting. In an ABA program, the therapy will focus on one or two specific goals. Some families find it helpful to focus on high-impact behaviors. In IBI, your child will learn communication skills, social skills, play skills, pre-academic or academic skills, self-help skills, motor skills, and much more. How do you choose? You look at your child's needs, what other programs they're involved in, your finances, and your philosophy on education. It's important that what you choose fits your lifestyle and beliefs. Therapy plays a big part of your life. It needs to make sense for your family. You should be fully aware of and give permission for each part of your child's program. The clinical team must explain how the behaviors will be taught. Behavior does not happen in isolation, so you will implement the same strategies. Let's connect on the web at sidebysidetherapy.ca, by email at info@sidebysidetherapy.ca, or by phone at 1-877-797-0437. Side by Side Therapy, empowering parents to empower their children.